Welcome to SeTs, a specialist education and training services organization dedicated to creating innovative hybrid education and training programs for functional education, sports, and street arts. We are functionality specialists with a passion for redefining learning to break down the silos and bridge the gaps between knowledge systems, arts, and cultures. Our expertise spans from racquetball sports such as squash, to football and street arts, from parkour for mobility, to self-defense, and beyond, to security supervision and management, and enhanced by functional fitness and strength training, and vice versa, for a more dynamic physical education for kids and adults alike. At SeTs, our motto, Sound in Body, Sound in Mind, guides everything we do. We focus on functional exercise and education enriched by a wealth of fun and games for all ages to provide holistic well-being for both mind and body. We cater to individuals, clubs, associations, and other organizations who seek the benefits of our expertise. Our programs are designed to be experiential and borderless by combining education, sports skills, and fitness exercises in a way that makes learning borderless, whether online, on-site, or hybrid in nature. Our qualified vocational teachers and sports coaches also have considerable experience in project management, event management, and workshop facilitation for development projects. Discover more about our services and read our insightful blog articles, including Watch, Weep and Wonder, at the Norway Action Film Festival, and Redefining Learning, a guide to functional education with SeTs. Both articles are available on our website, along with further commentary on our discussion forums. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook to stay updated on our latest programs and events. Join our community of enthusiasts, educators, and socially conscious individuals who value the impact of education, sports, and street arts in shaping society. We are committed to fostering a community of informed and passionate individuals. Through our programs, we encourage critical thinking and tackle complex social issues, making a positive impact on society. Join SeTs today and be a part of something bigger. Together, we can promote functional education, fitness, and a healthier, more informed community.